Hello and welcome back to Glam Tones. My name is Gigi and today is the summer solstice. So we are going to celebrate midsummer and the longest day of the year with a really bright and beautiful summer set. And I know that it looks like we're doing white nails, and we are going to paint these 2 coats of white, and then we're going to put a base coat down, and that's what we're doing right now. We, as you can see up there in the corner, we got some pigments there, and so we are going to use those to color these nails. I'm so inspired by Votino, and he has been hitting the pigments hard lately, so that sort of was the inspiration for this set, is the pigments and the summer solstice, and using them to really create that summery neon vibe. If you want a lighter color, I recommend don't go in with the base coat. The base coat really, that sticky layer, and you want to make sure you don't remove that. That sticky layer really grabs a hold of these pigments. These pigments are by Ownest, and you can get them on Amazon. I actually think I'm going to buy another set because I don't ever want to run out of these. They're so amazing. On this nail, we're doing a full orange, but we are doing an ombre from yellow to orange to pink. And I'm just being messy with it, you guys. I just want the colors to blend together the way they want to blend together. And I'm just really letting them do the work. I'm just letting the pigments do the work. And you can see, even though this is double time, you can see that this is so fast. And you really get those really bright neon shades with this particular set of pigments. They are the neon pigments. There are like 3 different colors of orange in there and 3 different colors of pink. So honestly, I wish they had given a little more variety. So I feel like I definitely want to try some other ones as well. But like, you can mix the shades together too. Like, I mixed the blue and the green together and made a real pretty teal one time. And so maybe we'll do that in an upcoming video. Do some pigment mixing and see what we can come up with. Let me know if you'd like to see that in the comment section. Also, just let me mention, this is just a quick matte top coat we're putting down, because the next step is going to be some hand painting. I have been running some polls on Instagram because I was thinking maybe I would do a live stream sometime this week. Maybe not Friday. Friday's not a good day. Maybe tomorrow. If you like to do those kinds of things, make sure that you follow me on Instagram. We're Glam Tones everywhere. Glam Tones here, Glam Tones Instagram, Glam Tones TikTok. I'm not Glam Tones on Twitter, but that's because it's really just my personal Twitter. I do post the show there, but I don't post there as much as I used to. That's all I'm going to say about Twitter. And now we're coming in, and I am marking out a circle, and I'm going to do part of a circle over here and part of a circle over there. I'm going to admit that I made my circle halves too large, that if you put them together to look at them, they don't really look as much like a circle as they should. Maybe more ovalish, because I made my circles a little big, but that's okay. I really wanted them to just be taking over the whole nail, right? I wanted nothing on the nail to not be part of the sun that we are creating with that circle. Now, while those are curing, we are going to come in and just make a little starburst. We're going to do that 2 times on this nail. Sometimes you will catch glimpses of planets and whatnot in the sky during the daytime, and considering that this is an ombre the way it is, this could be a sunset set. This could be a sunset scene. That might be better. So now, using that same gold, I am just coming in and making the rays from the sun. That's all I'm doing. Some of them are very straight lines, and some of them are these wavy connected lines. So you can make your lines any way you like. It's your sun. Be creative, be artistic, be yourself. You do not have to make it look like anybody else's work. Just do you, because you are the only you that there is on this planet. And your work is special because you did it. So don't compare your art to other people. Be inspired by them, absolutely. But I have really struggled with this, just letting my art be what it is. And you are going to go from being wherever you are in your process to getting better and better and better with every art piece you do, whether it's on nails or canvas or paper or a wall or chalk on the sidewalk. It doesn't matter. Do art for the sake of art and just let yourself have fun. So while our rays of our sun are curing, we're going to put that second starburst here. I just really like the starburst thing. I didn't like that dot I laid down, so we're going to take that off real quick because I've already cured that one, so I wasn't worried about messing anything up. I'm going to pick up some of that gold and just dot it. I'm just going to dot it on there. And this is really lazy man here. I could have got a dotting tool. I didn't. I just used this brush and it worked out fine. But you don't have to. You could use a dotting tool, right? It probably would have been better that way, but I was being lazy. Honestly, I was just being lazy. So I decided to just run a second circle inside the first circle. I just felt like it needed something in there. And as soon as I started drawing it on, I knew that was what it needed. So I'm just adding that second circle on here. And then on the two nails that are plain, listen, if you are happy with the sun and the starbursts, you do not have to add the next step. You could, because this is a very bright set. There's a lot going on already. But I just felt like on each side of the sun, the rays should continue. So what we're going to do while these circles cure is go ahead and add just some rays of the sun on the other nails. And you're going to see what I mean right now. I have them all sitting together. So I guess this is after they cured. I have them all sitting together, and I'm just trying to follow the line that the rays are going on the sun already. You don't have to be perfect with it. I just really like the feeling of symmetry, so I just wanted to try to follow that same line. And I'm adding a little bit more of that gold. By the way, that gold is by Nicole Diary, and it is actually stamping gel, but I have never found it to be that good for stamping, but I really like it for nail art because it's thick, but it's still thin enough that it flows really nice. So if you need an art gel really inexpensive, check out the Nicole Diary stamping gels because they're in a tube, they have a little brush. You could pop that off if you don't like it, whatever, it doesn't matter. But they work really good, and this gold is stunning. It looks like gold jewelry to me, gold. So I really like it. It's almost like burnished. It's real pretty. I like it a lot. Okay, now we're going to come in with our top coat. I think this set would look beautiful matte, but I decided to go shiny. Let me know in the comment section if you agree with that. Do you think it looked pretty matte? Because you can see the three that aren't top coated already, they do look like they would sort of look if they were matte. So you could go that direction without any hesitation of it looking good, because I think it would look absolutely fabulous. Into the lamp for a full cure, and this is the finished set. Guys, I am fully in love with these nails. This is one of those situations where I'm like, maybe I should have done this on myself. They're gorgeous. If you needed a fun summery set for vacation or just for a party or just because you're awesome, I would recommend these. They're great. If you love pink, if you love orange, if you love yellow, if you love gold, these nails are for you 100%. Guys, thank you so much for watching today's video. I am so happy to get to spend some of the summer solstice with you. We will be back on Thursday where it's going to be Pink Day. So I'll let you imagine what we're going to come up with for that. And until then, I hope you have a fabulous day. Mwah! Bye-bye.